everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video which will guide you to download TikTok application in your Android device. TikTok is a downright fun application of this time. It has been serving great form of entertainment through its content. People can create, share and discover short videos. It has been an outlet for people to express themselves through singing, dancing or lip syncing on videos. To be a part of this entertainment platform, you will have to first install TikTok application on your phone. Need not to worry, I would absolutely help you. First of all, just make sure you have good internet connection, then get started by clicking on Google Play Store. After clicking on Google Play Store, this screen will appear. Then on the search box, type TikTok. Otherwise, you can also tap on the mic icon, TikTok. On saying TikTok, this screen will ultimately appear. Then tap on the install button. Downloading might take some time if you have a poor internet connection, but wait for the time. Keep patience. Here, TikTok application is successfully installed. Trust me, this process is the easiest. Hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, do like and subscribe this channel. Comment down below for any feedbacks. I'll soon be back with more tutorial video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you later.